Hello. Hello, my name is Matt Bender and I am doing this presentation on the Android effect. In this presentation I am going to demonstrate how the Android platform has both produced some of the best gadgets of the last 50 years and has also created a platform that has the flexibility to be relevant in the next 50 years. And some of the ways that it has created some of the best gadgets of the last 50 years is that it has created affordable smartphones, e-readers such as the Amazon Kindle, wearables like Google Glass, and most recently Bluetooth enabled watches, and also the Chromebook. And with the Chromebook, I'd like to point out that as of right now it is running the Chrome OS. However, the president of Android operations at Google has recently taken over the Chromebook and Chrome OS operations. So there is talk of there being a convergence of the two platforms. And the way that this platform has created flexibility for the next 50 years is through wearable devices, medical devices, such as implants, and even convergence of those two, such as wristbands that can monitor blood sugar levels for diabetics, and automotive, and teleportation. You never know. I mean, in the future, the Android platform could really be used for just about anything. Here I have a picture of the very first Android phone. This is the HTC G1 Dream, essentially the first Google phone. As you can see, it's kind of big and bulky. It has a physical keyboard, which doesn't really happen anymore, but you can still see some of the same features that we have on our new modern Android phones. This phone was released to the public by T1 Mobile in October of 2008. So just a month after Google released the phone, it was on the market through T-Mobile. This is also the platform that is something that everyone can own. It's essentially the most affordable platform. All the apps, or most of the apps, are free. You know, I've owned an Android phone for over 4 years now, and I think I've only paid for one app, so you can get pretty much everything you need for free. Also, you can also pick up an Android phone for as cheap as $29.88. I actually just went to the Walmart website, and you can get an Android phone for less than $30, and that's unlocked and without a plan. Whereas the cheapest iPhone that I could find that was also unlocked and without a plan was $450. Above I have a map that shows iPhone users in different areas, and as you can see on the right, in Manhattan you see a lot of iPhone users, and in Newark, New Jersey, not so many. And also notice that the median income in Manhattan is almost 4 times that of Newark. So you can see that the iPhone really is for people who have a lot of money. Another way that the Android platform is the type of platform that could be used in the future is just the fact that it is open source, which means anyone can make changes to it, alter it, create new apps for it, and also they're part of the Open Source Handset Alliance, which makes it possible for different manufacturers to share information Okay, and welcome back. We reached the 5-minute max for Jing, so I just opened up a new file and we're recording again. Another big thing that gives Android an advantage over Apple is the fact that any manufacturer can use their platform. So you're never going to be limited to just one manufacturer. So this creates a great amount of innovation. You have different manufacturers competing with each other, but still using the same platform. So in this situation, the person that wins is the consumer. So you can see in this slide that there are a number of different manufacturers and mobile carriers, whereas with Apple you really are limited in both manufacturers, of course, because there's just one, and then carriers. That's mostly only available through the big carriers. You're probably not going to find an iPhone using Virgin Prepaid. And in this slide I have evidence of how the consumer wins in the collaboration of Android. You see Google created Android, and then you've got the different manufacturers that are all using the platform and improving it, and then you've got in-house, you've got app developer houses, so all the different professional app houses, and then you have freelancers too, so you have a very large group of people all working on the same platform and making it better for you, the consumer. Anything is possible with Android. Now, earlier I talked about teleportation as kind of a joke, but really anything is possible. You see a lot of the new technology that is coming out on Android phones, and one of those things is flexible screen technology. Also waterproof phones. It's the Samsung Galaxy in this picture. There are also other integrated features that Android makes possible. Embedded heart rate monitors. The new Samsung Galaxy will have a heart rate monitor just built into the phone. Knock technology, you'll be able to just tap on the screen to unlock it. ANT Plus technology connects to your Nike shoes, so it can count your footsteps or how far you walked for the day for exercise. And also fingerprint readers are another new thing for security. Another really cool feature that Samsung has just developed with the Android platform is LTE plus Wi-Fi downloads, which means if you have a large download, it'll actually use both Wi-Fi and your cell connection at the same time. Another really cool feature that's coming out through LG is the laser autofocus camera, and I've seen that. It's absolutely amazing. They use a laser, and it can instantly focus on a lot of different things at once to give you a really crisp photo. The future of Android, big thing is the Open Automotive Alliance, which is creating a user interface for cars with the Android platform. So your car 5 years from now might have an Android platform built into it. Another thing is the Android thermostat. There's actually a website where anyone can go and build their own thermostat from an old Android phone. And I also have all the different things as far as wearables go here. Google Glass, watches, jewelry, ornaments, wristbands and bracelets, both Bluetooth and like Fitbit, and then your ANT Plus in your shoes. And on the right, I have just kind of a joke. It's a Google Glass beta tester. The last thing here, implants. We will have implants that will allow for things like heart rate, blood pressure, temperature, vibration alert when your phone rings, and LED indicators to tell you that your battery is low. Absolutely incredible. And that is the end of my presentation. There is a short video here that you can look up on YouTube if you want to. Android Wear is how you do that. Thank you very much. Have a good day.